That you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them, that were feelings, and now you deny it.
Okay guys, I am driving the other scooter you saw the other day on the video, the little blue one, and it's an automatic. Oh. Yeah, the automatic. You have a handlebar here, can y'all see it? And then so the rear brakes, guys, is right here, and the front brake is right here. So it's a lot easier to drive than the other bike I was on, but it's okay. Bike is a bike. I'm not really particular about it, so.
Ayan o, ganyan o, yung color.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
It's great. I can sell this.
Yep.
Benta ko lang.
True.
Palitan ko yan, ano, RV8 na tayo.
Marami siyang gusto. Yeah, we need to go. Meron vulcanizing dito malapit? Going main road or dito?
Familiar man po.
Kailangan ako lakad. Oh, pag sa akin motor, meron sealant. Di ba kulay green? Yeah, you're supposed to put sealant in your thing.
Pagdating mo sa dulo nun, kakaliwa ka. Pakita mo stoplight kanan ka, may tulay, baba ka sa tulay maging.
So guys, we had a flat tire on the bike, so I'm gonna have to walk. I'm gonna have to walk Manila with a helmet on. So this is literally vlogging right here.
So as I was walking towards the vulcanizing shop, one of my friend's girl decided to take me there. Actually, she had to go ride the bike herself because you can't put two people on a bike that has a flat. It's just not going to work. So she brought the bike there, and I met up with her as I was walking. I was walking on foot. I was not riding the bike because I'm too heavy.
Anyways, guys, if I don't get ran over first. Anyways, guys, when you're on a bike and you have a flat tire, you have somebody with you, and I got somebody with me. It's best to let them ride because they're much lighter than you are. So the tire is it can last longer because the person on is not as heavy. You know what I mean? So that's the situation I'm in right now. So I'm going to a somebody's taking it to a vulcanizing shop and getting the stupid thing fixed right. Oh, here we go. I think there's one. Yeah. So vulcanizing shop. See? Huh? Oh, it's the rubber going like this. It's pinching your tube every time it goes around. You need a new tire. Diba kailangan bagong gulong? Yeah, see? That was pretty cheap. 90 pesos on it. It's like $1.60.
So now I'm going to ride in tandem, and we're going to go to this motorcycle shop and get the fork oil change from the mechanic because this bike is under warranty still.
Oh, he fixed it the right way. Okay, he put a liner inside too, made of tube material. That's the first time I've seen somebody do that. That's the correct way to do it. And he did it for less than 200. I was about to pay 200 for that.
It's time for me to go grab a drink because while you're on a motorcycle in the middle of the elements, you need to keep yourself hydrated at all times.
Alright guys, now we're at the wide angle camera, so
Believe it or not, guys, this mechanic only makes $10 per day. Isn't that pathetic?
there are 4 bolts holding the forks on. There's 2 on this side and 2 on the other side, so
So the mechanic had an issue here with getting the C-clip in and out, so I had to give him a hand. So after I showed him the technique that I use on another bike, which is also the Scoopy that I have a video about, it fixed the problem for him and he was happy with it.
test drive. Well, you guys could get a bike like this too if you really want it. Ayos na? Wow. It's good.
This is Tondo, Manila. Don't ever go here with a car, you'll never make it through. You can barely get through here with a bike. As you can see, I'm having issues already. Okay, it's close quarters, it's really messed up, and there's people everywhere, it's off the chain. When I ride, most of the time I go to the cheapest place that I can find that's like where motorcycles eat. It's very cheap. Like this lunch right there I'm eating right now is only 15 pesos. Okay, I don't know how much that is in US dollars. Probably about, I don't know, probably $7, something like that. But anyway, it's a really good place to eat here. This particular restaurant, and they serve a lot of people. They have their own Facebook. I forgot the Facebook at this time, and I also forgot my stickers to give it to them so I can post it on their wall. But their food is pretty darn good. I mean, they have like adobo, sisigs, Bicol Express. They got sinigang, all kinds of crap that you want to eat. They even got turon and banana Q, and also komati Q, which is like a potato. And everything you've ever want to eat is right here, and it's very cheap. And the drink is also free, which is water. So you're only paying 15 pesos for the lunch, which is freaking incredible. Well, thank you everybody for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. I just wanted to show you all and depict my day-to-day activities on, when it comes to motorcycles and cars or boats or whatever has a propeller, wheels, or wings. You know what I mean? I'm into it. So I'm glad you enjoyed the video, and this is the maintenance regimen that needs to be done on your Mio or motorcycle or scooter, every once in a while. I advise it being done about every couple of years with new oil. So if you like what you watched, if you like what you saw in this video, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, show the video to some friends, and maybe they'll like it and also do the same. So you guys have a nice day, and BBG is out.
That were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not in my reality. Find it hard to leave a picture, 'cause my reality ain't your reality, no.
This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description.
I'm all the sins that you can't confess. I'm just your ghost if we're not undressed. A part of me wish that we never met, but you act like we never. Got too wasted in the bathroom of your parents' house. Then you kissed me in the backseat of a taxi ride. And we said things that were cheesy, but we meant them. There were feelings, and now you deny it. You're in love with the idea of me, but you're not